This design you can have done under 5 minutes, so it's perfect for a salon setting. Grab yourself a foil gel. I'm using Get Tacky by Hona. I really like that one. And then grab yourself some foils. I've gone for a coloured foil, a matte rose gold and a shiny rose gold. Now the trick is nice thin layer of the foil gel. You don't want it to be too thick. If it's too thick, it won't cure properly, and then the foil, instead of sticking and staying and transferring onto the nail, it will kind of go gloopy and it will start pulling that gel off of the nail. So you want a nice thin layer, and you can see here I'm almost dry brushing this on, but because we're doing a foil medley, we're not doing a full cover foil, we're doing a foil medley, we don't need to worry that there are going to be like brush strokes on the nail. Those are going to disappear once we top coat, so don't worry about it. So I'm making sure that the lid is back on, because knowing me, I will tip it over. And now you want to grab your foils and make tiny little balls out of them. So just like you would with sweet wrappers, you know, you've had all your sweets and you just ball it up and throw them away. That's what we want to do with these. And then that is going to give us this kind of texture, and it's going to have little lines on the foil. And you will see when we start transferring it, it will just look amazing. So when you look at a foil, you want to go down with the matte side down, not the shiny. The shiny is the side that will not transfer. The matte side is the one that will transfer. So I'm literally just pressing and pulling very gently, and this is just adding those colors into the gel. And as you can see, it's already starting to look amazing. I'm adding a little bit of the shiny one just to give some depth to the design. And then that is it. It's such an easy design, and you can do it in so many different colors. All that's left is top coat, cure, and you're done. So you can have all 10 fingers done really quickly. This is such an easy design, but so effective and so beautiful. Get your clients onto foils. I hope you found this video helpful, and I can't wait to see you try these out.